Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarscos TV. You have me, Mark. Wow, it's very early. Ano oras na ngayon It's 1:26 a.m. from where I am, Sunday morning. So as you can see, the Christmas lights are still running. So ayun, we have a recommendation for the group Franz Rhythm, yung kanta ng Four Non-Blondes, which is entitled Spaceman. Trip na trip ko yung chorus nito eh. Naka-LSS. Yeah. So, the song was recommended by the following. Ferdy de la Cruz, Rubber Manufacturer Vlogs, and si LD Tolosa. Uh, so, essential sa ano, medyo ngongo. Kasi ano tayo, medyo may sipon and lagnat-ish. Before we give this song a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go in 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of the song. Nakaka-LSS talaga yung chorus niya, no? Yung the chorus makes you yung it leaves you, it's left playing in my head. Yung, Space man, another place and time. Ayun lang. Yung ano niya, yung intro niya. So yung chords, the chords used were I think D and then C is the intro. Yung shape lang na ginamit. So instead of the common D which is in yung the usual D shape, uh instead na yun ang ginamit, they used yung C na shape. But because 'di ba yung C, syempre C nga siya. So we if you want to make it sound D, you move it you move the root chord ba yung tawag doon? Yung dito 'di ba yung bass na chord, i-move mo by isunod mo lang yung bow shape by one note up. So D na siya. Pero parang open D ang tunog niya. Kaya parang ang sarap sa pandinig. Especially kapag naka-chorus ka like yung electric guitar yung strat niya naka-chorus kaya parang medyo watery, parang dreamy yung tunog. Speaking of yung dreamy yung tunog, because yung intro niya is similar sa Jopay, 'di ba? Pero hindi naman yung parehas yung chord pero yung lipat, yung timing ng lipat magkaiba. Pero yung first three notes nito parehas, 'di ba? Teng deng deng deng. So may imagine mo yung kantang Jopay, 'di ba? Teng deng deng deng, Jopay. So, similar kasi yung chords. Tapos yung effects nga niya, kasi nga chorus rin, parang hawig rin sa tone na ginamit sa song ni Mayonnaise. During the verse, ang ginamit na chord was G and C. And then yung chorus, tama naman yata to, yung D. So, GDC parang Spaceman G. Tapos, in another D. Place and time. Tapos lilipat ng C. Ayan. So, mga major chords naman ang ginamit. Kaya easy to follow. Ang magpapaganda talaga sa kanta nito, which is yun yung na-pull off ni Franz Rhythm, is yung Hugot. Kasi yung lyrics niya maganda eh. So, kailangan yung the way na ano mo siya, yung i-deliver mo yung pagkanta. Yung talagang, parang may pinaghuhugutan. Paano ba natin Englishin yon? So, what makes this song special is the lyrics. So in terms of delivery, which I believe was pulled off by Friends Rhythm, is how you express the song. So when we say hugot in Filipino kasi, it's like drawing emotion from something. So it can be usually from previous experience. Like let's say for example, if it's a love song, so you draw it from your previous breakup, for example, or your ultimate love, something like that. So maganda yung pagkakaano nila. It's hard to speak kapag so sorry kasi barado yung ilog ko. Ayan. So this video was taken during the day na nagulat lang ako na ganyan pala kalaki yung space kasi the first time I saw them play in this environment yung parang it's not technically outdoors pero sa labas ng bahay parang ano no. Akala ko, I thought it was just the house and then on the side is already like yung vacant lots. Pero it turns out, it's like, it looks like parang top floor. Tapos yung pinaka top floor nila is like it has a roof and walls lang. Kaya ang laki pala nung playing area. And you can also see the richness ng equipment nila. I can see ano mang ginamit nila. Fender, may PV. So yung setup ni Franz Ritten sa instruments, very for me I find it nostalgic. Kasi mga old parang mga ano yan yung mga modelo those are the models of amplifiers I am familiar with when I was still in a band and that was like over 10 years ago. Kaya nostalgic yung ano niya. So, I'm not saying naman yung quality of sound ng mga equipment ngayon is bad. Pero yung iba kasi yung ano, 'di ba, yung something you have grown up with, talagang may ano na, it's not just the quality of the sound, but yung connection that you have with it. Kaya I don't know, nostalgic, and it's so when you play it also with a classic song, so para talagang ano siya, you listen to the band, it's like riding a time machine. Talagang it brings back, talagang bumabaha ng mga memories, 'di ba? Yung mga 90s na period. Sayang, no? Parang I was thinking si Fornan Blondes should have made it sa Woodstock Festival na yung 94. Parang ang cool sana. Kasi ano eh, yung vibe niya eh, bagay sa ano rin. But anyway, opinion ko lang yan. So we leave it at that. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments if you haven't done it yet. These are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.